Welcome to Monday together with Amir Folk #1 channel. Okay, for today I'm telling to you all about situations also condition on the Mayor Muhammad Zain Sungai Selayur Fusri Company, Palembang City of South Sumatra. Okay, check it out like this. First, together with your #1 channel. And on the way, very this is all about transportations of Indonesians car, motorcycle. Also, next once again for another transportations, the real of Indonesian culture. Okay, and information here all about situation and condition on the sky like that. For now, I'm showing all about our sky, white and blue color mixed to be one. How is beauty, nice and wonderful. Also smooth, and I feel our God always amazing, giving up for our miracles, also easier for do anything about our life. I know all about our God is nothing important except you and me always together will be alright, for still together this world our life alright all be around it all about it our lives together, nothing gets better with our be happy forever. I'm a phone #1 channel. Say thanks and thanks once again. Thank you very much for all people this world. I'm your folk. Say thank you for the next vlog. I'm your folk waiting to hear all about my life. You and me say bye bye. We always together love this world.